Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to use Zoom with any device that you want to mirror. Particularly I'm focusing on the Audiojack app, but this works with any device you want to stream through Zoom. I know a lot of people are using it in different ways to make their Zoom calls more exciting, to do outreach and activations with their employees, but also to be able to teach and be able to use this in distance learning. And it's a really great tool. I know a lot of you are already using it, but I just wanted to make a quick little video here just to show you. And yes, the hair has gotten incredibly long. Not cutting it until, I don't know when. Maybe until there's a cure. We'll see. It's kind of fun. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to pull open the Zoom app. And we'll get that going here in 1 second. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open the Zoom app. And you pull that up there, get it going. And you're going to start a meeting. I'm just going to start one of my meetings here. When the meeting gets going, you'll see your screen pop up there. You'll connect with your audio and all that good stuff there. Make sure your video audio is on or however you're presenting. And then you hit the bottom option that says share screen. When you do that, you're provided with a bunch of different options. And it's basically anything that your computer is talking to or able to talk to right now. Go through and find out what you're doing. If you're rolling Audiojack through a website, you can just run the desktop. But what we have here is an option for AirPlay, and that's something I use on my devices. I'm an Apple user, and they have other ways you can directly connect. You're going to select that option, and then you're going to go down to the bottom corner and hit Share Computer Sound, because you want the audio from your device to be playing for everyone, or else that's going to make for a very quiet audio jack. You hit Share, and then you go to your device, and you're going to hit Screen Mirroring. And you pick the device that you want to mirror, which would be the Zoom. It'll even say Zoom in here. And then voila, you are now inside my app, which is wonderful. And then you just go through and you operate it on here however you would, and everyone can see. And you go through, you pick a category and say, do day in the life. And just so you know, it's sharing just my screen to everyone else. It's not sharing anything else. And it will share just the audio. And then I'm going to pick an audio jack. And then you can hit play. And there you go. And the really neat thing about this too is that all the activities that we have in here, the different exercises, the different writing exercises, you can share that with inside the app to everyone, so the instructions are right there while the audio jack is actually playing. And for those of you that want to do some real-time stuff and see people's imaginations actually unfold, you can use Google Docs, and everyone can write at the same time, and you can see how people's stories are unfolding in real time. It's really neat. But that's it. That is it. That's all you have to do. Get this up and running, hit play, and go. I hope this helps, and I hope you're having a wonderful day.